In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check junk mail in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find messages that were filtered out and how to fine-tune your junk mail settings so important emails don't get lost. First, open Outlook from your desktop. This might be the Outlook desktop app, or a shortcut on your taskbar, or Start menu. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's the first time today. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your usual account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Once Outlook is open, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the folder list where Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, and Archive live. This left sidebar is your home base for navigating all your mail. If your list is collapsed or you don't see everything right away, hover your mouse over the folder pane or expand any arrows you see to reveal the full list. Now scroll down through the folders until you find the one labeled Junk Email. This is the folder where Outlook automatically routes messages it suspects are spam or phishing. Click it to open. Take a moment to scan what's there. It's normal to see promotional emails or messages from unfamiliar senders. Occasionally, legitimate messages can land here, so it's a good place to check if you're expecting something that hasn't shown up in your inbox. Be cautious with links and attachments while reviewing this folder since the contents were flagged for a reason. If you want to adjust how Outlook filters messages into junk, look to the upper right corner and click the View Settings. This opens the controls that let you customize your mail experience. In the Settings menu, click Mail, then select Junk Email. This section collects the filtering preferences in one place so you can make changes confidently. Here, you can choose your filtering level, either standard or strict, and explore other options. Standard filtering works well for most people, catching obvious junk while keeping legitimate messages in your inbox. Strict filtering is more aggressive and can reduce spam even further, but it may send more legitimate emails to your junk folder. If you find you're missing messages, consider using Standard. If you're overwhelmed by unsolicited mail, Strict might be a better fit. In this area, you may also see options related to trusted senders and blocked content, which can help refine how Outlook treats messages from specific sources. That's it. Open Outlook, log in if needed, check the junk email folder in the left sidebar, and adjust the filtering under View Settings, Mail, then Junk Email. Review this folder regularly and revisit your settings if your needs change. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.